What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We have a Tundra comp today for you guys to enjoy, starting with this magnetic gray metallic 3rd generation Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. This one is coming in for a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup, some bronze Method MR703s, and some 35-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tires. Are you looking for a set of Method race wheels? Check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com and use promo code YouTube to get $100 off a set of 4, and that includes free shipping. Next up, we have this Lunar Rock 3rd generation Tundra with the TRD off-road package. This one is coming in for a Method MR709 HD wheel and tire setup with some BFG KO2s. In order for us to clear the 35-inch tires with these wheels on this Tundra, we have to install a lift kit. Lift kit of choice here is the Ultra Premium Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series with DSC. This right here is paired up with the new Fox Billet Uniball upper control arms and an OME rear lift spring. This kit gives the vehicle about 3 inches of lift height in the front and 1.5 inches in the back. Our shop 88 Rotors is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. If you're looking to get some work done by us, reach out to us by phone anytime during regular business hours, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. The new Fox setup has been installed along with the wheels and tires and final alignment. Next up, we're going to bring this one out for a quick test drive before we hand the keys back over to the customer. Next up, we have another new Toyota Tundra. This one does come with the TRD off-road package as well. We're going to be lifting this one up and throwing on some new wheels and tires. Let's see what we do to this one. The truck is safely staged up on the rack. All 4 wheels and tires are removed, so we can remove the factory TPMS sensors and throw them onto the new wheels and tires. As for the suspension, the factory ones get ripped out and we installed the new BILSTEIN 6112s up front with 6100 rear shocks and Elevate upper control arms. The rear gets about 1.5 inches of lift with the Old Man Emu lift springs. For the wheels and tires here, we went with the RRW RR7V flow-formed wheels in a 17 by 8.5 size with the machined silver finish. Tire of choice is the very popular 35 12.5 17 Toyo Open Country RT Pros. And if you want a set of RRW wheels, check out our website at 88rotorsoffroad.com. Use promo code YouTube to get $100 off a set of 4 RRW wheels. We have them in stock and ready to be shipped. Next up, we have the sibling of the Toyota Tundra. Next up is a Sequoia. This one's in for a King 2.5 remote fin reservoir coilovers and shock setup with cambered Kinetic Series billet uniball upper control arms and some rear lift springs. The wheel and tire choice here are the Method MR703 B-grip wheels with some 35 12.5 17 Toyo Open Country RTs. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Here at 88 Rotors, we cater to all budgets. Want to save some money? We have the Westcott Designs preload collar lift setups for you. We're throwing the Westcott preload collar lift setup on this one with some new wheels and tires. Wheels are the gloss black RRW RR7H with the 35 12.5 17 Toyo Open Country RT Pros. Let's bring this one out for a quick test drive now. Next up, we have this 2024 TERRA TRD Pro Tundra. This one's coming in for a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup. And over on the other rack, we have another Tundra that's pulling in for a Dobinson IMS lift setup with Icon tubular delta joint upper control arms. Just like that, the Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup has been installed on the Tundra TERRA Pro. We're going to bring this one out for a quick test drive now. Next, we have another 3rd generation Tundra. This one's in a silver color. We're installing a set of BILSTEIN 6112s on it with some 6100 shocks, elevate upper control arms, and some OME rear lift springs. For the wheels and tires, we're doing this RRW RR7V flow-formed wheel in a matte black face with a gloss black simulated beadlock ring with a 35 12.5 17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. If you like any of the lift kits that we have here on the channel, check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We help you take out the guesswork on what parts you need to order. We have a wide selection of lift kits, pre-packaged, pre-assembled, and often pre-adjusted to fit all budgets. And this is pretty much going to wrap it up for today, guys. We greatly appreciate your continued support. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, peace. For the wheels and tires on this Tundra, we went with the RRW RR7H hybrid wheel. This is a matte black finish in a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset. Tire of choice here is the BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 in a 35 12.5 17.